How to temporarily turn off Wells Fargo card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to temporarily turn off your Wells Fargo card. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser to log in via Wells Fargo online by simply searching for it and just tapping on the first link which appears over here, which is the official website of Wells Fargo. Or you can also use alternatively your Wells Fargo mobile app. And the process is similar, so you can just sign in to your Wells Fargo account successfully. And once you successfully sign into your account, you just need to locate the relevant debit or credit card within your account. And once you locate it, you just have to select the card and find the turn card on or off option right over there and simply switch the card to the off position. So the method is similar for the mobile device as well if you are using in the app version. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.